Hi guys, spotted this one in Poundland. Squeeze Fish, super soft. It also stretches. So I thought we'll stick it on that car. The skeleton fish, is a similar toy, but we'll replace that one with that one and we'll torture the fish instead of the yes, it is. They're both fish, aren't they? That one's a squeeze fish and that one's a skelly fish. So we'll see if this one can run the car. Well, this has already been educational. Trying to actually tie on to the fish. I had to tie a knot in its tail and then tie the string round the knot to try and hold it in place. The head end, that has been interesting. I'm using one of those wire wrap things that you usually find. Oh, can we see it? There we are. Yeah, it's so squishy that it tends to find its way out of things that I've tied it to. Anyway, we got it wound up, so we'll see if we can have a squishy fish powered car. Try and point it in the right direction. And away we go. I didn't quite do the full distance. I could try and wind it up a little bit more, so we'll have another go. I'll put the camera on the mount at the end here and see if we can hit the camera. Success. So we have a stretchy fish powered car. Still got a bit of tension left on there. Yes, it was a problem tying the string to the stretchy fish, but we managed in the end. Doesn't look very happy with life. Job done.